In this video, I will show you how to find out what Stitch incoming term means in TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up TikTok on my device. Now the Stitch term is basically when you're scrolling through different feeds and videos. On some videos you might see a message saying Stitch incoming. So I can't actually see any at the moment, but for example if we take this one, if it was to say Stitch incoming, what that basically means is that there's another TikTok creator that's created a video using this person's video. So in other words, you would keep scrolling through and eventually you're going to find another creator that would have used parts or all of that video incorporated into their video. So that's basically what the Stitch incoming term means in TikTok. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.